Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Devana Belisang and today I will present about project syntax part 1 and part 2. And in the part 1, these major sentence constituents. The word in a sentence have an obvious linear order and a constituent structure that is not obvious but is nevertheless understood by native speaker. The linear order of speech is automatically represented when we say or write a sentence. In general, simple sentence and therefore clauses consist of two principal constituents. And look at the example. This is two sentences: the dog and ran fast. The constituent on the left is called NP or non-present, and the one on the right is called VP or phrase. We can identify NP and VP sometimes by the slots they fill in the sentence and sometimes from their function. And next. An NP function is a unified constituent in sentence, regardless of how big or small it is. In this section, we investigate passive sentence to illustrate the unity of NP constituents. Consider this sentence. Zelda auctioned the famous wooden spoon is active sentence. And the famous wooden spoon was auctioned by Zelda is passive sentence. We might hypothesize the sentence that to make a passive sentence from an active one. Interchange the first word with last one. For our present purpose, we can ignore the verb was and preposition by, but in a complete statement of the personal aspect of passivization will also have to be specific. And to form the passive version of a sentence, the following operation are performed. The subject noun processor is replaced by the noun processor that follow the verb. The passive auxiliary be plus en is added as the final constituent of the auxiliary, and a prepositional phrasal by is added at the end of the verb phrasal. And in part 2, this is my answer for the question in part 2. And that's it for my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.